The United States relies on three major energy grids to power homes, businesses, and industries: the Eastern Interconnection, the Western Interconnection, and the Texas Interconnection. These massive networks keep the country running, but they are aging, strained, and in desperate need of modernization. With rising energy demands, climate challenges, and increasing outages, upgrading these grids is no longer a choice, it's a necessity. Let's take a look at these grids, starting with the Eastern Interconnection. Covering everything east of the Rocky Mountains, this grid serves the largest portion of the U.S. population, stretching from Florida to Maine and as far west as the Dakotas. It's a complex and heavily loaded system, making it vulnerable to cascading failures. Many of its power lines and substations were built decades ago, struggling to keep up with modern energy demands and renewable energy integration. Next, let's talk about the Western Interconnection. Serving the states west of the Rocky Mountains, this grid covers vast areas with lower population density, but faces extreme weather risks, from wildfires in California to droughts affecting hydroelectric power. As renewable energy sources like solar and wind become more dominant in the West, the aging grid needs major upgrades to handle variable power flows efficiently and prevent blackouts. And lastly, the Texas Interconnection. Unlike the other two grids, Texas operates its own isolated power network, managed by ERCOT, Electric Reliability Council of Texas. This independent grid avoids federal oversight, but also limits the state's ability to draw power from other regions in emergencies. The devastating 2021 winter storm exposed its weaknesses, leaving millions without electricity. Without significant upgrades, Texas remains vulnerable to extreme weather disruptions. Why the U.S. energy grids need urgent upgrades? One reason is aging infrastructure. Many power lines, transformers, and substations are decades old, leading to inefficiencies and frequent failures. Extreme weather challenges. Hurricanes, heat waves, wildfires, and deep freezes are becoming more severe, pushing grids beyond their limits. With more electric vehicles, smart homes, and businesses relying on electricity, demand is skyrocketing. Need for renewable integration. The transition to solar, wind, and other renewables requires a smarter, more flexible grid to balance supply and demand effectively. The U.S. power grid is a prime target for cyber attacks, making security upgrades essential for national resilience. Modernizing the U.S. energy grids means investing in smart technology, better storage solutions, microgrids, and a decentralized energy system. These improvements will create a more reliable, efficient, and clean energy future for everyone. While large-scale grid upgrades are necessary, homeowners and businesses don't have to wait to take control of their power. Investing in home battery storage, solar energy, and backup power solutions can help you stay ahead of outages and rising costs. At Portlandia Electric Supply, we offer cutting-edge energy solutions to keep your home powered.